Hey, this is the start of the 8K NHRA race giveaway, which means you have the chance now to get in this giveaway, and I'm about to break down everything you can win because we're going to do multiple winners. This is huge for the Big Jeff audio platform. We're going to announce the winner live on the track in Charlotte, right, on Sunday the 30th, okay? And we also have a crazy giveaway after that that'll be announced. So there's a lot going on, but let's talk about this right now. We're starting the 8K NHRA YouTube giveaway, and we are giving away, thank you and a big shout out to Bonce, a set of SA 2510 D1s. I repeat, a set of SA 2510 D1s. Big shout out from Bonce. We're also giving away new brand we just came in with, GALEFORCE. If you haven't heard about it, make sure you check it out on our website. It is the loudest, the cleanest speaker I've heard yet. We're doing a set of 8-inch. Yes, a set of 8-inch. These things, you can have them outdoors, indoors, car, boat, it doesn't matter. You got a driver and a speaker and a Neo magnet. Check these things out. We're giving away a set of those. And big shout out to Massive Audio. We're going to be doing TKO 12.4s. That's a 12-inch dual 4s, two of them, and a BP 1001. And one more thing, the Big Jeff swag pack. We just got in some new hats, ear pods, which you'll see up here, a bag, a tumbler, a whole swag pack. Now, there's 4 giveaways, and we're going to announce the winners at the racetrack the 30th at what time, Ben? 11 a.m. Eastern time. Now, how do you get in this? Well, first thing you need to do, if you haven't done already, is subscribe to the Big Jeff audio channel. You need to like this video right now, and I would advise to hit the bell so you get these popping up when we're giving them away. Now, go in the comments. After you've done that, leave your name, your location, and why you should win. Keep in mind, we've had some scammers sending direct messages on YouTube, not from us, telling you to text them. And if you're not texting 737 Big Jeff, it's not us. But anyway, you're going to leave your comment, name, location, and why you should win. And then I need you to share this. The only way we can keep doing these is as each time we get 1,000 subscribers, we do another one. And right now we're about to break 13, so we still have more coming. But it's all up to you to keep these going and make them bigger and bigger. So let me go over it again. We're giving out a set of Bonce SA 2510 D1s, GALEFORCE 8-inch, a set of those, Massive Audio TKO 12 dual 4s, and a BP 1000.1 amp. And then, as an extra throw-in, a Big Jeff swag pack. And I'm not just talking about a lanyard and a sticker. Tumbler, we got some new Big Jeff ear pods. We got new hats. You're just going to fill the bag up, and it's going to go out to you. So, 4 winners for the 8K NHRA sponsoring Camrie Caruso. Me and my team are driving down Friday to be there at the track the whole weekend, and we're going to be announcing this live. Man, let me say it again. Announcing this live, and I'm going to make sure we have a couple going on, so it'll be on Facebook and YouTube. Make sure you come to YouTube. That's the go-to. We're going to announce the 4 winners, and then we'll kick off the 9K. So, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get to Charlotte. I can't believe my name and picture and all that's on a pro race car, Fox Sports, NHRA, Race Illustrated, all these places. We even got 12 Volt News got on this. This is great. So, 8K giveaway, NHRA giveaway starts now. Make sure you do it. I hope to see you soon next Sunday. Let's get this going.